Generating revenue via the internet has grown in popularity and profitability as a means of working from home. People today have a plethora of options to earn money online thanks to the development of technology and the internet. There are many methods to generate money online from home, whether your goal is to supplement your income or pursue it as a full-time profession. In this video, we will discuss some of the most effective ways to make money online, providing you with valuable information and tips on how to get started. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Freelancing. One of the most well-liked methods of earning money online is freelancing. Rather than working for a single organization, it entails taking on projects for a range of customers. As a result, you have a great degree of freedom to work on projects that suit your interests and timetable. Numerous platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer facilitate the connection between independent contractors and global clientele. It's a fantastic method to demonstrate your abilities, and it can be a very lucrative and satisfying endeavor. Finding your qualities and abilities is the first step towards being a successful freelancer. Are you an accomplished programmer, graphic artist, or writer? Finding your specialization will enable you to work with the appropriate customers and get projects that complement your experience. Making a professional profile that emphasizes your qualifications and expertise is also essential. This will make you stand out from the competition and draw in new customers. You may establish your own pricing and working hours as a freelancer, which might help you maintain a better work-life balance. But remember that you will be responsible for handling your own money and taxes. To effectively file your taxes and maintain financial stability, make sure you maintain track of your income and spending. Online surveys. Another well-liked and simple approach to earn money online is to participate in online surveys. Many businesses ask customers for their thoughts and ideas via market research. They compensate people to answer online questionnaires, and the insightful responses they get enable them to make improvements to their goods and services. You may register for surveys on websites like Squarebucks, SurveyJunkie, or Toluna in order to locate reputable online survey opportunities. You may do a range of surveys on these websites in return for money, gift cards, or other incentives. Although you may not make enough money to do this as a full-time career, it might be a wonderful side gig to supplement your income when you have spare time. Affiliate marketing. A well-liked internet business strategy is affiliate marketing, which lets you promote goods and services from other businesses on your website and social media accounts in exchange for commissions. You're paid a portion of each sale made by customers who use your affiliate link to make purchases. If done well, this may be a substantial source of money. You must first decide on your target market and specialty before you can begin affiliate marketing. Next, look for affiliate programs that fit the interests and readership of your website. ShareASale, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates are a few well-known affiliate networks. After deciding which goods or services to advertise, you may begin adding affiliate links to your blog entries, social media updates, and email campaigns. Establishing credibility and offering value to your audience are essential for success in affiliate marketing. It's critical to endorse goods and services that will benefit your audience and that you really believe in. You should also routinely monitor and assess the effectiveness of your affiliate links to determine which are bringing in the most money. Blogging. If you love to write and have a particular niche or subject you want to concentrate on, starting a blog might be a great way to earn money online. Blogging is a great way to promote goods and services, drive traffic, and make money via advertising, much like affiliate marketing. Choosing a niche or subject that you are enthusiastic about and that has the potential to draw in a sizable audience is the first step towards launching a successful blog. In order to draw in and keep readers, it's critical to regularly provide interesting and high-quality material. After that, you may make money from your blog by adding sponsored material, affiliate marketing links, or by making and selling your own goods and services. It takes time and work to create a good blog, so have patience and keep going. Both your blog's traffic and revenue-generating potential will increase as it increases. Make use of social media to advertise your blog and expand your readership. To improve the look and feel of your blog, think about spending money on a professionally designed website that is self-hosted. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants are in more demand as companies continue to embrace digital. Virtual assistants work remotely to offer companies, entrepreneurs, or busy people with administrative, technical, or creative services. Depending on their abilities, they may provide services for data input, social media management, email management, customer support, and other things. To begin working as a virtual assistant, look for employment openings on platforms like Indeed or FlexJobs. Additionally, you may get in touch with companies or people you believe will benefit from your skills. Developing a website for your company and advertising on social media platforms are other ways to draw in new customers. To stand out in a crowded market, don't forget to emphasize your qualifications and experience and provide reasonable prices. Online teaching. If you are an expert in a certain area, you may educate others and earn money online. The practice of teaching online has grown in popularity in recent years, and there are several websites and platforms that facilitate the connection between educators and learners worldwide. Being an English language teacher online is one of the most well-liked methods to educate. Individuals may find chances to teach English to kids in nations like China, Japan, and South Korea via platforms like VIPid, Teachaway, and Iturebru. Depending on your area of expertise, you may teach courses other than English, including math, physics, or coding. Online store. People now have more options to sell goods online and earn money thanks to the growth of e-commerce. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Shopify allow you to easily start an online shop and handle your items, payments, and delivery. Finding things to offer and determining your specialty are essential steps in launching an online business. These might be things you make yourself or those you buy from dropshippers or wholesalers. To make sure that you are providing distinctive and superior items, it is crucial to do competitive and target market research. Additionally, email marketing, social media, and partnerships with bloggers or influencers may all be used to promote your shop. Social media management. As more companies understand how important it is to have a good online presence, social media management is another service that is in great demand. Social media managers are in charge of handling social media content creation and management, interacting with followers, and tracking the effectiveness of social media efforts. You must be well-versed in the numerous social media platforms and their marketing tools in order to launch a social media management company. Outstanding organizational and communication abilities are also required. Attracting new customers may also be facilitated by developing a strong personal brand and using social media to showcase your competence. Online consultation or coaching. You may sell your skills as an online coach or consultant if you are an expert in a certain field. Services including job coaching, business consultancy, and personal development coaching might fall under this category. Many people and companies are prepared to pay for professional counsel and direction in order to assist them reach their objectives. Your website, social media accounts, and professional networks may all be used to advertise your coaching or consulting services. To share your expertise and reach a larger audience, you might also produce webinars or online courses. Positive evaluations and referrals from pleased customers may also aid in drawing in new business. Online investing. A common means of generating income is via investing, which is now available to everybody with an internet connection thanks to the growth of online investment. Purchasing stocks, bonds, or other assets online with the goal of making a profit is known as online investing. You may use a variety of platforms, including TD Ameritrade or E-Trade, to create an investment account with an online broker in order to begin investing online. Before making an investment, it's critical to do in-depth research and comprehend the dangers. To build experience and confidence, start with modest investments and consult experts. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.